Hello, I'm Rosie Bassi, and I'm doing a monologue from the Seagull by Anton Checkhov, and I'll be portraying the character Nina. Why do you say you kiss the ground I walk on? I ought to be killed. I'm so tired, gosh. If only I could rest. But I am a seagull. That's not right. I'm the actress. It doesn't matter. So he's here too. It doesn't matter. He didn't believe in theatre. He laughed at my dreams. And little by little I stopped believing in myself. I lost heart. And always the stories of love, jealousy and constant fear for the child I became trivial and commonplace. I acted without thinking or feeling. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I couldn't control my body or my voice. You can't imagine what it's like knowing that you're acting badly. I am a seagull. Do you remember the seagull that you shot? You left it at my feet. He came to me and he said, I have an idea, a subject of a short story. A girl like yourself is a whole life on the shores of the lake. She loves the lake like a seagull. But a man comes along, and because he has nothing better to do, comes and destroys her. What was I talking about before? Ah yes, about acting. I'm not like that anymore. I'm a real actress. I act with delight and rapture, and I feel like I'm drunk when I'm on stage. And I think I am wonderful. Ever since I got here, I've been walking around and thinking and believing that my soul grows stronger every day. And it came to me that in our line of work, whether we're actors or actresses, the important thing isn't fame or glory, not what I used to dream about, but learning how to endure. I must bear my cross and have faith. And if I have faith, it doesn't hurt so much. And when I think of my calling, I'm not afraid of life anymore. When you see him, don't tell him anything. I do love him, yes, I love him more than ever. By chance, he's subject of a short story. Gosh, remember how sweet it used to be, how bright and warm and joyous our love was, and the feelings we had for each other were like fine, delicate flowers. Do you remember? Thank you.